Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Raya from Raya the Last Dragon. I don't remember the title, I'm sorry. But the fit isn't obviously like the most perfect fit you'll ever see. But let's get started with the video. I'm removing everything except for the hair. I just removed the hat, which is bad because I use adjustments on it. But for the hair, I use this one in this brown and then this one in brown. For this one, I did Z.54, rotate the Z at 0.65. Then for the hat, I used this hat here and then selected the one with that ribbon and the third toggle, and I used this pattern. And I just made it a little bit bigger and I like rotated it this way. And then for the like pointy bit of the hat, I did use this crown and this color BE7442. I hope they have the crown, like the hat soon, so I don't have to like use this all the time. Let me just adjust the hat a little bit so it's downwards a little. Did I actually use this one? I don't remember what color I used. Let's just use this color. Actually, it doesn't mesh well with the hat a little bit more. But for the outfit, I used this one in the third toggle in this color, 9F8C50, and then I used this for the shawl in this color, CC5638 in denim, and then this gold color, and then that color again in denim. And then I am going to use this for the gloves. I use this color and then this color, but just like a tad bit brighter, and then that color again. Then for the boots, I use the same color in denim, and then that color again in denim. Gosh, I'm very hungry right now. Anyways, I used these pants for it, and let me see what color I used. Yeah, I used this color, but just like slightly darker like this. Then I used this belt over here and this color. Okay, I think I just made it like darker. And then the rest that color. And then I also used the apple for like the orb in this blue in neon. And then the second color, I just made it like dark brown so it's like it blends with the hair. And I also used the cape from VIP, but you don't have to. If you don't have VIP, that is okay. It's like only cape, and color it the same like this too in denim. And that is how you can create Raya from Raya the Last Dragon. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. I also use this one, in the second toggle in just a brown color. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!